Hi, I'm Jessica Shalloe with FloodGate Medical, and my colleague Greg Schmaltz and I lead our orthopedic talent acquisition. Last week, Greg and I attended this year's action-packed AAOS in Vegas, and it was an incredible turnout with over 600 exhibitors and over 39,000 members. This made it the world's largest orthopedic association. As we know, the ortho industry suffered a major revenue loss during the pandemic, and we're excited to see that the market has gradually recovered, officially surpassing the pre-COVID level globally, and is expected to reach nearly $50 billion this year alone. We saw many trends at the show that have contributed to that success, such as innovations in wireless technologies, of course, AI integrations in surgical robotics, and a major trend was less invasive technologies for joint and spine procedures, enabling them to be done in the ASC setting. We learned about countless innovative companies that I'm excited to highlight in today's Buzz Report that are advancing the care like never before. The first company I want to highlight is Lazurite. Lazurite is jumpstarting the wireless era of surgical visualization with their Anthro-free system. This is the world's first wireless camera for arthroscopy and general surgery. This disruptive technology is compatible with current standard surgical towers, making them completely wireless with battery packs that last over an hour. This allows physicians to gain freedom of movement in the OR while eliminating the fires, patient burns, and infections associated with fiber optic cables. It was great catching up with a few of our friends over at Smith & Nephew. Their sports medicine division stole the show with a few exciting technologies I'll highlight. Their regented bioinductive implant supports the body's natural healing response to facilitate new tendon-like tissue growth and changes the course of rotator cuff tear progression. And it absorbs within 6 months of implementation. It was also really cool to see their Ultra Button, which is an adjustable fixation device that produces a controlled technique to reproduce and harvest only the desired tendon tissues. This lowers the risk of anterior knee pain compared to autograft options. Lastly, Smith & Nephew's UltraTrack Quad ACL reconstruction is helping surgeons expand their ligament graft options and maximizes the variety of patients they can accommodate. CarboFix was another booth I couldn't miss. They are the world market leader in trauma and spine ortho implants made out of carbon fiber. They are truly improving the quality of life in these patients with the benefits of carbon fiber versus metallic implants. Their implants have superior strength similar to the cortical bone, and their composite materials makes the implants radiolectant. This enables the MRI and CT scans with minimal to no artifacts for better soft tissue visualization. In oncology cases, CarboFix implants allows enhanced and precise radiology delivery with less complications. They have some really powerful patient stories and are still the only ones in the world to do it. The show was all about education with a focus on improving patient outcomes, and the tissue regeneration space had a huge presence this year. Sanara MedTech is making a huge impact with their innovative suite of surgical products by providing wound care solutions to combat both surgical wound dehiscence and other common complications and infections. It was also great to see our friends over at Organogensis and see firsthand how their product, Purify MZ, which contains purified, micronized native collagen, is enabling access to difficult wound locations while maximizing contact, conformity, and coverage. It's safe to say it was an incredible AAOS experience this year, and we want to thank all of the incredible orthopedic innovators from the startups to the major players. And in case I missed anything, feel free to share some other exciting innovations from the show in the comments below. Looking forward to next year's Buzz.